No matter how much the world tries to hold you back, always continue with the belief that what you want to achieve is possible. Believing you can become successful is the most important step in actually achieving it. With that note, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to Hobby Concepts, and this is Raj. Today we will make a very easy and quick to make recipe, Besan Dosa or Gram Flour Dosa. Let's divide the making procedure into 3 parts. First, making the batter for the dosa. The batter for this Besan Dosa or the Gram Flour Dosa needs to be runny or thin watery consistency. So, in a bowl, let's add 1 cup of besan, and to it, let's add 1¼ cup of water. Now, while adding water, we need to add little at a time to make a thick paste initially. This will avoid forming of lumps in the batter. Next, we add salt and give it a good mix. We can adjust the consistency as required. Cover it and keep it aside. If possible, you can leave it aside for half an hour for the besan to soak the water. It is not necessity though. You can make it right away if you are running out of time. Now, the second part. Let's chop the onions and coriander leaves finely and keep it aside. Final part. Now it's time to make dosas. Place a tawa and keep the flame on medium heat. Once it gets warm, apply oil to the tawa. Just before pouring the batter on the tawa, every time you need to give it a good mix, as besan being thick tends to sit at the bottom of the bowl. Pour a ladle of batter on the tawa and spread it over. Now, sprinkle idli chili powder on top of it and sprinkle the chopped onions and coriander leaves as per your taste. You can add finely chopped green chilies if you wish to. Slightly press them. Let the flame still remain on medium. As the batter is very thin, it will get cooked quickly. Now, spread a dab of butter to the dosa. You may wish to skip this step, but I love the taste of butter in my dosas. Next is to turn the dosa to the other side slowly and carefully. Just keep it for few seconds. And roll it up and serve it hot with any chutney and curd or yogurt. Here I have served it with onion and tomato chutney. You can also serve it with sambar or sauce. Do let me know in the comment as what goes well with your dosa. That's all for today from Hobby Concepts. Hope you all liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, live, love, relax and enjoy your life. Take care.